How to track your Temu orders for delivery updates. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to track your Temu orders for delivery updates. For that, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in temu.com. You could also use an application. Either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So when you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page, and here what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and press the tab bar icon from the top right hand side. As you click on it, or if you're unable to do it, so you could also go ahead and press the profile icon, and then you could go to your orders. As you click on it, you'll be able to see the purchase history. In my case, I haven't ordered any of these products, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. You could just go ahead and swipe and then select the tab like delivered, shipped, whatever, and through that you could go ahead and track your Temu order for delivery updates. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.